Hey, amazing teachers! Let's make feedback more meaningful by focusing on growth rather than just correcting mistakes. When students hear feedback like, "that's wrong," it can shut down their confidence. Instead, try using phrases that acknowledge what they did well and guide them toward improvement. For example, instead of saying, "you missed the correct verb ending," say, "you're on the right track." Try using the proper ending to match the subject. This approach helps students feel encouraged and gives them a clear next step to focus on. Here are 3 key phrases you can use right away. First, great effort. Let's add one more detail to make it even clearer. This works wonderfully for writing or speaking tasks. Second, you're almost there. Try using a specific word or structure to make it more precise. This phrase zeroes in on the improvement without overwhelming the student. Third, nice use of vocabulary or grammar. Next, see if you can connect your ideas with a transition word like porque. These phrases are positive, actionable, and build confidence while pushing students to the next level. Want to elevate your feedback game even further? Join the Assessment Academy at mm.us/academy. You'll learn how to provide impactful, proficiency-focused feedback that helps your students grow and simplifies your grading process. Start using these phrases today and watch your students respond to this new approach to feedback.